The eye and liver differ. The liver can regrow even if just a quarter is left. But the eye cannot regenerate. If one of your eyes gets damaged, it not only won't heal but might even cause the other healthy eye to go blind as well. Given the eye's poor self-healing ability, if you overuse it day and night, it will wear out faster. So, how long can it last? Let's start with a test. Look at this picture. Who do you see? Is it Wu Ying or Wu Yage? If your vision is good, you should see Wu Ying. If you see Wu Yage, it suggests your eyes are fatigued or you could be nearsighted. I can reduce the image size to show you what myopia looks like, or how things appear without glasses. While nearsightedness doesn't shorten your eye's lifespan, it triples the likelihood of needing additional treatments. So, people with myopia should take extra care of their eyes. Now, adjust your phone to a distance where you can clearly see Wu Ying, then look at this picture. What number do you see? If you see 528, your vision is normal. If you see 4528-3, your eyesight is excellent. But we're not done yet. If you can see 345-28-39, damn, it means your eyes are truly exceptional. This picture checks how well your eyes can see objects against their background, which is key for good vision. For example, it helps us in foggy conditions. Poor contrast sensitivity could be a symptom of cataracts or glaucoma. You might have noticed this. When you stare directly at a light or light strip, it appears steady. But when you look away, your peripheral vision detects the light flickering. This is because the light is actually flickering. But you don't usually notice it. The center of our retina is filled with color-perceiving cone cells, while the edges are packed with light-sensitive rod cells, which are highly sensitive to light and dark. When you glance away, light hits the edge of the retina. Retinal stem cells are exposed to light, causing you to notice flickering. Staying in such conditions for too long can raise eye pressure. This causes eye soreness and headaches. Eventually, it could lead to glaucoma. As noted earlier, high eye pressure can cause glaucoma, which is actually the second leading cause of blindness globally. To check your eye pressure, close your eyes and gently press on your eyeball with your finger. If it feels like the tip of your nose, then your eye pressure is normal. If it feels as firm as your forehead, your eye pressure might be high, and you should consult a doctor. In everyday life, both very bright and very dim light can raise eye pressure. Using mobile phones often has the same effect. Whether gaming or studying on your phone, you aim to be quick and sharp. But neglecting eye care, you might end up with eye problems. Put down your phone and go play outside.